Good morning, you guys. It is March 24th. It is Monday. We had some red folder news, and that is what ultimately um, invalidated this trade for me, or stopped me out, if you'd say. So, market open, we swept these lows right here, and then we came up, retraced down to equilibrium and filled the fair value gap, which is a perfect entry to me. And then news just stopped me out right away. And then as you can see, this trade went on and trade played on and hit full TP. Nothing I can do about it. Again, I've told you guys too, so I don't know why I'm making these mistakes. Gotta be careful of these red folder news days. But yeah. Then we saw this. Helped to damage a little bit. We inversed this, came down, hit equilibrium of this entire range. Inverse this, had this gap protecting us, entered, and then I wanted it to come to these highs, but I was watching ES, and ES shot up to the highs a lot faster than NQ did, so I got out. Because you guys know that ES sweeping the highs could have ruined the trade. But down $414. We're still up 300 on this account. And yeah, tomorrow should be another good day. And I'm thinking about opening a My Funded Futures account next week, but we will see. I'll see you guys tomorrow.